Assalamualikum. Welcome everyone. Today we will try to tell about health benefits of corn. Corn, also known as maize, is a popular cereal grain that has been a dietary staple for many cultures around the world for centuries. It is a rich source of nutrients and is often consumed in various forms, including whole corn, cornmeal, and cornflour. In addition to its delicious taste and versatility in cooking, corn also offers a wide range of health benefits. Here are some of the health benefits of corn. 1. Provides essential nutrients. Corn is rich in essential nutrients, including vitamins A, B, and E, as well as minerals like zinc, magnesium, and iron. These nutrients play important roles in various bodily functions, such as maintaining healthy vision, boosting the immune system, and promoting bone health. 2. Promotes digestive health. The fiber content in corn helps promote digestive health by aiding in the digestion of food and preventing constipation. Eating corn also helps promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, which is important for overall digestive health. 3. Supports heart health. Corn is a good source of folate, which helps reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease. 4. Helps manage diabetes. The high fiber content in corn helps regulate blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for people with diabetes. Corn also has a low glycemic index, which means it does not cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. 5. Boosts energy. Corn is a good source of carbohydrates, which provide energy to the body. Eating corn can help boost energy levels and reduce fatigue. 6. Supports immune system. Corn is rich in antioxidants, such as carotenoids and flavonoids, which help protect the body against oxidative stress and inflammation. These compounds help support a healthy immune system and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 7. May reduce the risk of cancer. The antioxidants in corn have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. In particular, studies have found that the carotenoids in corn may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as lung and breast cancer. In conclusion, corn is a nutritious and delicious grain that offers many health benefits. It is rich in essential nutrients, promotes digestive health, supports heart health, helps manage diabetes, boosts energy, supports the immune system, and may reduce the risk of cancer. Adding corn to your diet can be a simple and tasty way to improve your overall health and well-being. Thank you very much for being with us. Click the subscribe button next to get the best videos. Everyone will be